Hello friends, are you tired of the traditional advice on how to build wealth, like saving money, investing in the stock market, and waiting for decades to accumulate wealth? Do you dream of achieving financial freedom and living life on your terms, but don't know where to start? If so, then you need to hear about The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. This book offers a new perspective on building wealth quickly and achieving financial freedom. In this video, we'll be discussing the key takeaways that can help you transform your financial future. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive into the world of The Millionaire Fast Lane. Chapter 1, The Slow Lane versus the Fast Lane. Author begins by contrasting two different paths to financial freedom, the slow lane and the fast lane. The slow lane involves saving diligently, investing conservatively, and working for 40+ years in hopes of retiring with a comfortable life ahead. The fast lane, on the other hand, involves creating wealth quickly through entrepreneurship and leveraging financial principles like the Law of Effection. He argues that the slow lane is flawed because it relies on factors that are outside of our control, such as the stock market, job security, and interest rates. In contrast, the fast lane puts us in control of our financial destiny by creating value and solving problems for others. Chapter 2, The Law of Effection. Author introduces the Law of Effection, which states that wealth is created by providing value to others. The more value we provide, the more wealth we can create. He argues that most people are stuck in the slow lane because they focus on their own needs rather than the needs of others. In contrast, fast lanes focus on creating value for others and solving problems. He also identifies 5 commandments of the Law of Effection: need, entry, control, scale, and time. By understanding these commandments and applying them in our business ventures, we can create wealth more quickly and effectively. Chapter 3, Wealth Equation, introduces the wealth equation, which is a framework for understanding the relationship between wealth and the 3 factors that determine it: income, expenses, and time. Author argues that most people focus on the income side of the equation, trying to earn more money through traditional employment or passive investments. However, he suggests that the key to wealth creation is actually reducing expenses and leveraging time. He also introduces the concept of the law of income, which states that income is limited by the value we provide to others. To increase our income, we must provide more value. Chapter 4, The 3 Financial Paths. Author identifies 3 different financial paths that people can take: the sidewalk, the slow lane, and the fast lane. The sidewalk is characterized by low income, high expenses, and no plan for financial independence. The slow lane is characterized by traditional employment, passive investments, and long-term retirement planning. The fast lane is characterized by entrepreneurship, value creation, and accelerated wealth creation. He argues that the fast lane is the best path to financial freedom because it puts us in control of our financial destiny and allows us to create wealth more quickly and effectively. Chapter 5, The Roadmaps to Wealth, introduces 4 different roadmaps to wealth, which are different strategies for achieving financial freedom. The roadmaps include real estate, stocks, business, and the internet. Author provides an overview of each roadmap and discusses the advantages and disadvantages of each approach. He also emphasizes that the most important factor in any roadmap is the entrepreneur behind it. The right mindset, skills, and knowledge are essential for success in any roadmap. Chapter 6, The Need for Speed. Author emphasizes the importance of speed in building wealth and achieving financial freedom. He argues that time is a finite resource, and the longer it takes to create wealth, the less time we have to enjoy it. Therefore, it's important to focus on maximizing speed in all aspects of wealth creation. Author identifies 5 speed variables that entrepreneurs can leverage to create wealth more quickly: execution speed, decision speed, action speed, iteration speed, and learning speed. By increasing these speed variables, entrepreneurs can accelerate the wealth creation process and achieve financial freedom more quickly. Chapter 7, The Fast Lane Entrepreneurial Mindset. This chapter dives into the mindset necessary to succeed as a fast laner. Author discusses the importance of taking responsibility for our financial situation, having a sense of urgency, and having a can-do attitude. He also emphasizes the need to focus on providing value to others and solving problems, rather than just chasing money. Author identifies 7 wealth disciplines that fast laners should cultivate: purpose, vision, beliefs, affirmations, goals, plans, and action. By focusing on these disciplines, we can create a powerful entrepreneurial mindset and take action towards our financial goals. Chapter 8. Switch teams and playbooks. This is about making the switch from the slow lane to the fast lane. Author argues that this requires a significant shift in thinking and behavior, as well as a willingness to take risks and embrace uncertainty. Author provides a roadmap for making the switch, including steps such as identifying your skills and passions, finding a fast lane opportunity, creating a business plan, and taking action. He also discusses the importance of having a support system and staying motivated during the transition. Chapter 9. The Fast Lane Business Framework. Author outlines a framework for creating a successful fast lane business. He identifies 4 key components: need, entry, control, and scale. By focusing on these components, entrepreneurs can create businesses that are both profitable and scalable. Author also provides practical advice on topics such as market research, product development, branding, and pricing. He emphasizes the importance of being customer-focused and creating products and services that solve real-world problems. Chapter 10. The Fast Lane Execution Strategy focuses on the execution strategies necessary to succeed in the fast lane. Author identifies 5 key areas of focus: marketing, sales, operations, finance, and human resources. He provides specific tactics and techniques for each area, as well as advice on how to measure and track progress. Author also discusses the importance of continuous improvement and iteration. He encourages entrepreneurs to be flexible and willing to adjust their strategies based on feedback and data. Chapter 11. Wealth Maintenance is about maintaining and preserving wealth once it has been created. He emphasizes the importance of having a long-term perspective and avoiding short-term thinking that can lead to bad financial decisions. Author also provides practical advice on topics such as tax planning, asset protection, and estate planning. He encourages entrepreneurs to seek out professional advice and to take a proactive approach to wealth maintenance. Chapter 12. Wealth Acceleration is about accelerating wealth creation once the basics have been established. Author provides a variety of strategies for achieving this goal, such as investing in real estate, creating multiple streams of income, and building a brand. He also discusses the importance of taking calculated risks and being willing to make bold moves in order to accelerate wealth creation. He encourages entrepreneurs to think big and to leverage their existing assets and networks to create even greater wealth. In conclusion, author summarizes the key principles and strategies discussed throughout the book. He emphasizes the importance of taking action, being customer-focused, and maintaining a long-term perspective. He also encourages readers to embrace uncertainty and take risks in order to create wealth and achieve financial freedom. Finally, author emphasizes the importance of creating a fulfilling and purpose-driven life, rather than just chasing money for its own sake. The Millionaire Fast Lane provides a new and innovative approach to achieving financial freedom. By adopting a fast lane mindset and taking massive action, you can build wealth quickly and live life on your terms. I hope that you found this video informative and inspiring. If you are interested in learning more about building wealth, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.